It is hot as a motherfucker.
Everyone in McKinney is dead.
Damn. All right, YouTube. What's going on, man? We back out here again. A nigga is out of breath, all fucking ready. Just setting up out here. It is hot. I'm trying to beat a storm because we got a storm that's coming in around like 2 o'clock or some shit, and I'm trying to beat that right now, and I still got other shit to do today. So, you know, full schedule. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So we finna have a little father fun today. A little fun that I know quite a lot of us like to have. I'm gonna shoot around a little bit, work a little bit of transitioning today. I need to work on my transitioning, and also my accuracy has been slowly dwindling down because I haven't been shooting. So we're gonna fix that today. I'm gonna move up to about, I say 5 yards from this first target, and then which it would be about 10 yards from the next one. So 5 and 10, take some shots on both of those A-zone targets. Sprint back, we'll come from holster, take the shots on there, drop back in holster, sprint back to the barrels, grab the rifle, take some shots on that. I wish I had my steel from deep in the woods, so I would take some shots at that, but unfortunately I don't, so we'll make do with what we got. It's gonna be a quick one today. Your boy ain't got a whole lot of time to work, so we'll go from draw 1 2 1 2 and sprint back, and one shot with the AR on each. Let's see, is this in the car? Ain't this about a bitch? I went to my damn car to grab my shot timer, and the motherfucker's dead. Boom, 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 boom. Holster up, haul ass, get back there. Let's get some. See how this feels. Yeah. All right. Whew. Beat. Get in the holster. Same shot. Empty mag, but we made something work. Let's check these shots. A C, a A, 2 A's and a C right there. 2 C, or a C, a D, and an A. Switch it up a little bit, right? We'll work all pistol shots. So we'll come from holster, boom, 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 haul ass, and then we'll take more shots with the pistol instead of the AR. The boy's not full sprinting. I don't feel like getting a real fucking run in today. Let's check those. AAC. Running again. I'm using this close target to work my double taps as well, so hopefully we can get a little bit better with that. We got 5, so 1 2 3 4, back 5, and then switch to the rifle. Out of ammo, so we switch to rifle. Holster up. Oh. Okay, I know for a fact this target is off. I came out, yeah, no lock back. I came out, boom, boom, took my shots. My red dot was not on target. Got one A and a C. It's just below the head box. AC, I think. Yeah, ACA. All right, so just like last time, I had my girl load this mag with dummy rounds. So we'll transition with them. After every malfunction, we'll switch targets. Oh. That's the mag. A little bit of stumbling in there, but you know, that's why we out here, to prevent that type of shit. I also gotta work on that recoil management, man. This shit, sometimes shots will kick me like a motherfucker.
Go to the fucking gym.
I gotta work on that. But all these shots over here look good. All right, now that we got the blood flowing a little bit, got a little bit of shots in to warm up. We're gonna take this paper target right here, stapler on, and we'll take shots at this to work our accuracy and try to get better, because when I said my accuracy's falling off a little bit from not shooting, I meant that shit. So we're gonna take some shots from like 5, 7. Go 3s. This is also gonna be like a sped up kind of cadence, so that way we can try to be as accurate with quicker shots. Back in holster, 1, 2, 3. A little bit quicker. That's that muscle memory already coming into play. And that slide didn't lock back. I thought, oh, tap, rack, bang. All right, let's check these. There's our groupings. Pretty much tore it up here. I do believe it's sight overbore from that distance, and I did not adjust for that. So maybe we'll run it again. These are my flyers right here, of course, but ignore those ones. They're all still very much so in my fist, but we're 5 yards away. I should be able to do a lot tighter than that. I'll try to adjust for the sight overboard this time. Get a move on before this, and we'll go 5s. We'll go 5s at a decent cadence, a quicker cadence than what we just did. Okay, we're shooting to the left. Let's try to adjust. That's it. All right, check them. And there we go. Now, to me, that's a lot better. We at least got all inside the circle. A line break right here, but you know, it looks to be about half, so got them all within the circle at least. Run it back. We're gonna do it again. We have 14, 15, 16, and then 5 more. So we'll run this again, and we'll maybe run that little course again. Give me one. Use those 5 on those 2 targets. Run back. Take some AR shots. Have a little bit of fun, right? All right, back to it. We got 6. I know one of those shots I threw because I didn't realize I had my finger so far down on the trigger already. I just went to reset and then came back immediately. So that shot was sudden. Those shots are pretty much all through like a motherfucker. I don't know how I ended up throwing those shits so bad, but y'all can see it. Look at this shit. Spread way out. All right. We got the accuracy done for today. Got that training out the way. Slowed up these 5 and do a little bit of running. I'm gonna start all the way down there. Full tilt sprint back to you guys. From here, shots 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn, gun out, full tilt sprint to the barrels. 1 more shot with the pistol. Switch out, back in holster, switch to rifle, 2 shots with from the rifle. Wrong shoes for this shit. Downrange. 1. No lockback, that's good. There we go. Woo! That is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope y'all did enjoy this one. If you did, do me a favor. Hit that like button and leave a comment. Help me improve by telling me what I can improve on. And like the video because it helps get my videos out there. The shorts ain't been doing too well. I don't know why, but I have a feeling it's because I've yet to upload another long form video. It's been about 2 weeks, and that's my apologies. Had shit going on, but that's what we out here doing right now, getting one made for y'all, for you to enjoy. All right, peace, y'all. Love you. Shit.